Today we have Lincoln. He's gonna help me out with the video. What do you have, Lincoln?
We have
On your hands.
gloves.
Gloves. What happened to those gloves?
Their dad got them wet and they shrunk, so they fit me.
They fit you. So those are normally extra large gloves. Maybe still a little bit big for you, and they probably shrunk down to about a small. I was lazy and I left them out in the weather. And what happens when you leave them outside, Lincoln?
They shrink.
They shrink because they get wet. So what we're going to try is some of this Bic LP leather preserver, heavy duty leather preservative. I've used this a handful of times. I would put it right up there with Obanoff's. It smells really good. So what we're going to do, you can leave those both on, Lincoln, and then I'll smear them on and you could rub your gloves together. How's that? Okay. So I'll take a good dab of the finger and I'll put your hands all the way down on the table. There we go. We'll kind of rub some on the back. And then I'll rub some, nope, leave it there. Other glove. Rub it on the other glove. And then just like you were putting lotion on your hands or hand sanitizer, rub, now let me put some on the front part. Kind of dirty.
Yeah.
Okay, now just like hand sanitizer, rub your hands together, front and back. Rub them all together like you're washing your hands. How are they feeling now?
Good. But I can't really bend them much, but they fit me, and there's a little space, the fingers are not up all the way. But
Kind of big, but they fit a little bit?
yeah, they're comfy. Well, you know.
How do you like the smell of that stuff we put on it?
It smells like boots.
Smells like boots. Well, there you have it. Lincoln and I restoring an old pair of leather gloves that became old, and now they're new again. Different size, with the Bic LP Heavy Duty Leather Preserver. Good job, Lincoln.